What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Daniel. It's a beautiful Saturday and I'm sick as a dog, so we're gonna make our way into the mountains because there's no real better place. We're just gonna head up. It's just me and my good boy Skeeter today. We're gonna run up into these mountains behind me, make fire, chill out, eat some lunch, just hang out, man. So let's get into the good stuff. So we just had a really strong storm come through, windstorm that is, and brought through a freeze and a handful of clouds. And those clouds dropped some snow on the mountain, so snow usually doesn't stick around on these mountains very long. Especially this year, this has been abnormally warm. But we're making our way up the mountain right now, and I'm still pretty low elevation. I'm starting to see some snow on the ground, so should make for a pretty chill time up at the top. Skeeter back there is not so excited right now, but I think once we get to the top, he's gonna be stoked. That was kind of funny. I threw it in two-wheel drive for that corner and took off all traction control because I was going to drift it. I thought it would look pretty cool. And the truck just would not go. That whole spot looked like a little bit of snow, but it was actually iced over dirt with snow. So truck didn't go very far for that. So it was kind of funny to see on the drone. Anyways, let's keep going. I'm gonna set the mood for everybody out there right now. It's cold, a little bit of snow on the ground. You got the windows down, your doggy's back there with his head hanging out the window, and you got the heater on full blast. You gotta have it on the feet settings with the windows down. I think a lot of you out there will have to agree with me when I say there's nothing better. What's up, buddy? Yeah, boy. Dang, Skeeter. Got some cleaning to do. This is like the wettest wood I have ever bought. Like, I might as well be trying to start this fire with a head of celery. But we got it going. Had to take a little more time, I guess, and tap into my inner survivor man. This is a relatively chill trip. I did tell you guys I was going to start doing more of these. I'm going to continue to do more of like the wheeling type videos with friends, getting into nonsense, but I'm also going to be doing videos like this, just chilling, having a good time, hanging out with my dog, wife, kids, whoever's with me. All right, Skeeter, you ready? Load up. Load up, buddy. Go ahead. Oh, good boy. Ooh, I bet it's cozy in here, huh, buddy? You comfy, bud? Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Cool, guys. Let's go venture around. So I'm heading down the main trail here, and I see a right-hand turn. It's not showing up on Onyx, but it's like a very narrow 2-track, so we're going to just kind of see where it goes. It'll likely dead end, but that's all good. Where that might go, who knows? Some nice flat spots here for camping. Keep that in mind. So the hills that I'm in right now, growing up when I was a teenager, this was the trail we would hit anytime we went camping. Back in the day, Survivor Man and Man vs. Wild was huge on TV. So me and my friends would come up here with a pack of hot dogs, a case of water, and we would spend days up here. Back in the day, we used to help ourselves pass that gate. And if you walk far enough past that gate, you run into a fishing pond. That fishing pond is stocked with rainbow trout. So we would go fish that pond. As a dumb teenager, I didn't know any better. It was just living life, I guess you could say. We would spend days up here. So being back up on this particular trail feels good. A lot of memories. There were some pretty sick-ass rock formations back there. Checked them out with the drone. There's always a treat around every corner, like this one right here. We got ourselves a cave up there. I'm not gonna go in that cave because I don't wanna. I'm not a cave guy. I don't like small spaces, I guess. This is cool. This is really cool. We are back here. I have definitely never been up this trail. And it's pretty cool. I'm liking it. Whew. such a funny thing to see. Snow on the ground, pine trees, high desert vegetation, cactus, yucca. It's just kind of a silly thing. A lot of ingredients in this pot right now. All right, my arm's freezing again. We're gonna keep driving. See you guys when we get to the end. I do have a pretty sweet little spot right here. I might do like a Rippy Bernie. Let's see if we can do a Rippy Bernie. All right, Skeeter, I am so sorry. I'm sorry, bud. Okay, our fun is done. We did a couple Rippy Bernies. Oh, Skeeter didn't like that, but you know something? Life's full of uncomfortable things. Every once in a while, you just gotta deal with it. Good boy, Petey. You're a good sport. All right, guys, let's push down this mountain. Aside from all that, this was one kick-ass day. Had a great time. Skeeter, I'm sure, had a great time, and I'm glad you guys came along with me. If you liked today's video, consider hitting that like button and subscribing if you like it. I'm putting out videos all the time, so I will catch you guys on the next video. Toodles.